All right, guys, so I have 18.1 right here and I'm projecting it onto my screen. So I'm going to attempt to write on the same page that you are, so we will see how it goes. So our sound today is with your tongue in between both of your teeth and you're pushing air out, okay? So the two letters that make up the sound is T and H. So we are going to practice writing that. So for the T, it is a tall letter. We need to go start at the top and go all the way to the bottom. So it's going to say down the tower, lift and cross. And then the H from head to tail and head to toe and over that. Down the tower, lift and cross. Head to toe and over that. So you're going to practice that. And you're going to do also this line, okay? And then down below, it has words that have these in them. So if you want, you can pause the video here and you can start sounding them out and reading them. All right, so the first one, it says in, thin. And we're going to write the word thin nicely. I'm going to give a little bit of space here so it doesn't look like just one word. And I'm going to fill up my line. I think you should at least be able to get 3 or 4 very nice words on the line. And then the next one, bath. Bath. I know it's tempting to go at, but that's not even a word. We need to remember that T and H together work together to make one sound, and that sound is bath. Bath. And I know I'm left-handed. I should probably move my hand out of the way just a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. All right, and you should probably at least be able to get 2 or 3 or 4 on the line. The next one says that. At. This is also a tricky word, or a sight word, not a tricky word. And so you're also going to put 3 or 4 on the line. Okay. And then the last one there, and then the last one says is, which is also a sight word, is, this. Even though like this sounds like a, and is sounds like a Z, that's the sisters. S and Z are sisters. Okay. T H I S. T H I T H I S. All right. So that is for 18.1, and this is one that you will turn in. Do not forget to fill in this line, guys.